Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go to Stormterror's lair in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games launcher, and once you're in game, press M on your keyboard, which will bring up the map. Now go on the top left side of your screen, like so, until you can see Stormterror's lair. So click on this blue ball right here and then select teleport waypoint like so, and then click on teleport. By doing so, you will be teleported to Stormterror's lair, as you can see right here. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming